Want to know exactly who viewed your Instagram highlights? It's super easy to check. But there's one important thing to keep in mind. Stick around to the end so you don't miss the key detail that might explain why you're not seeing views. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just below your bio, you'll see your highlights section. Go ahead and tap on any highlight you'd like to check. Once the highlight starts playing, look in the bottom left corner. Tap there to view the list of viewers. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future Instagram tips like this. If you don't see any viewer list, it's likely because the story in that highlight was posted more than 48 hours ago. Instagram only tracks views for the first 24 to 48 hours after the story is published, even if it's saved to a highlight. To confirm it's working, try checking a newer highlight, ideally one posted in the last day or so. You should see a full list of viewers there. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.